Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today tutorial video is about the Cournot game. Okay, it is my second value from the previous video. Okay, so the question as a follow, where we are given the demand, the price equal to 24 minus Q, where P is price and Q is a total quantity sold by two firm. Okay, so we are given the marginal cost for firm 1 is $8 for each unit it produced, and firm 2 $4 for each unit it produced. So neither firm has any fixed cost. So we are going to obtain reaction function for each firm in Cournot game. Okay, and then we are going to draw reaction function graph for both firm, and then we are going to obtain Nash Equilibrium quantity, price and profits. And then we are going to find the total quantity and profit oligopoly market. Okay, so for the first question, okay, we are going to find the quantity. So we just rewrite the price function, and then we multiply with Q, and then we minus with the cost, so we get the profit. So we substitute capital Q as a Q1 plus Q2, and outside of the bracket as a Q1, because we are because we find the profit for firm 1. So we multiply 24 multiply Q1, so we get 24 Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q1 Q2 and minus 8 Q1. So we solve the equation. 24 we minus with 8, we get 16 Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q1 Q2. So and then we are going to differentiate profit 1 over quantity 1. So we differentiate 16 Q1, we get 16 Q square 1, we get negative 2 Q1, and minus Q2 equal to 0. So we make Q1 as a subject, so we divide by 2, so we get the function for Q1. Okay, and then we use the same calculation and step. We find for the firm 2. Okay, we substitute the capital Q outside the brackets a Q2, and the cost is 4, so we minus with 4Q2. So we expand the bracket, expand the equation. So 24 we minus with 4, we get 20 Q2, and we minus with Q1 Q2 and Q2 square. So and then we are going to differentiate the profit from 2 over Q2, so we get 20 minus Q1 minus 2Q2. So we are going to make Q2 as a subject, so we divide by 2, so we get the function for Q2. Okay, and then we are going to draw reaction function graph for both firm with firm 2 in y-axis. So okay, so we rewrite the Q1 and Q2 based on our previous calculation. So we are going to assume Q1 equal to 0. So we just substitute Q1 equal to 0. So we make negative 0.5 Q2 as a positive. So we bring to the left. So Q2 as a subject. So we divide by 0.5. So we get Q2 equal to 16. So the coordinate will become 0, 16. So okay, and then we're going to assume Q2 equal to 0. Substitute Q2 equal to 0, and then we get 8. So the coordinates will become 8, 0. And then for firm 2, okay, we also assume Q1 equal to 0, and then we get Q2 equal to Q2 equal to 10, and then we get 0, 10. Okay, and then Q2 equal to 0. Okay, and then we divide with 0.5, and then we get Q1 equal to 20. So we get the coordinate 20, 0. Okay, and then we are going to plot the graph. Okay, so 0 16. Okay, and then 8 0. Okay, so we plot, we connect the both point. Okay, and then 0 10. Okay, at 0 y 10. Okay, and then 20 0, x axis 20 and y axis 0. So we connect the both points. So we get the equilibrium at 4 8. Okay, and then we are going to find Nash equilibrium quantity, price and profit. So we rewrite the Q1 Q2. Okay, and then to find equilibrium, we need to equalize Q1 equal Q1 or Q2 equal Q2. So in the case, I using Q1 equal to Q1. So I rewrite Q2 equal to 10 minus 0.5 Q. And then I'm going to make Q1 as a subject. So I divide with 0.5. Okay. Okay, so Q1 equal to Q1. So I rewrite 8 minus 0.5 Q square and Q2 equal 10 minus Q1 over 0.5. So 0.5 is divide. So we bring to the left. So it will become multiplied. So 0.5 we multiply with 8. We get 4. And then negative 0.25 equal to 10 minus Q2. So we make Q2 as a subject. So we get 0.75 Q2 equal to 6. Then Q2 as a subject, we divide with 0.75. So we get Q2 equal to 8. Okay, and then when Q equal to 8, so we just, we substitute Q2 as a 8. So we get Q1 equal to 4. So we get the equilibrium Q1 4 and Q2 8. So it is same. Same with the from the graph. Okay, so and then we find the price. Okay, 24 minus Q. So capital Q, we substitute Q1 plus Q2. So 4 plus 8, we get 12. So 24 minus 5, we get 12. Okay, and then for the profit, we just substitute. Okay, and the profit function we get from the previous calculation. So you don't need to recalculate, we just take from the previous calculation. Okay, so 16 minus Q1 square minus Q1 Q2, and 20 Q2 minus Q1 Q2 and Q2 square for form 2. Okay, so we just rewrite the equation, and then we are going to substitute Q1 and Q2. Okay, Q1 as a 4 and Q2 as a 8. So we solve the equation. So we get the profit equal to 16, and then the profit for form 2 equal to 64. Okay, and then lastly we are going to calculate total quantity and profit. So Q equal to Q1 plus Q2, 4 plus 8, so we get 12. And for the profit 1 plus profit 2, 16 plus 64, we get 80.